Most self-employed Canadians I talk to think the HST registration threshold is based on their annual income. It is not. It's based on your total taxable sales, and the window CRA looks at it is any rolling 12 months period. The moment your taxable sales cross $30,000, the obligation kicks in, not at year end or when you file your taxes. Quick note before we start, this is general education only, not tax or legal advice. Your specific situation should be confirmed with CRA or a CPA. Alright, let's get into it. Here's what it looks like in practice. Say you invoice $10,000 in October, $12,000 in January, and $9,000 in March. That's $31,000 inside 12 months. You just crossed the threshold, even though your calendar year is not over. CRA call this 4 consecutive quarter rules. They're not looking at January to December. They are looking at any 4 back-to-back quarters. That catches a lot of people off guard. Here's the part I really wish someone had explained it to me clearly. If you cross $30,000 and keep invoicing without an HST number, you are legally on the hook for that HST, even if you never collected it from your clients. CRA will assess you for it, and that money comes out of your own pocket. Think about it this way. Imagine you are working at cash register and you forget to charge customer sales tax for a month. The store still owes that tax to the government. Someone has to cover it. In this case, guess who? That someone is you. There are no grace period. There's no I didn't know exemption. The clock starts when you cross the threshold. Now here it is, the part that actually makes registration worth doing, even before you are forced to. Once you are registered, you can claim back the HST you pay on legitimate business expenses, software subscriptions, your phone bill, computer, equipment, office supplies, all that has HST on it. Right now, you're not registered. That money is just gone. Once you're registered, you can get it back through something called input tax credits, or in short, ITCs. For freelancers spending even $500 to $1,000 a month on business expenses, that is real money being left on the table every month you delay. Quick question for the comments. Are you registered with HST yet, or still under the $30,000 threshold? I'm curious where most of you are at. Put it in comments below. Before we get into the registration walkthrough, one practical thing worth mentioning now, the moment you are registered, you are collecting HST on every invoice. But that money is not yours. It belongs to the CRA. The mistake a lot of people make is letting that money sit in their regular account until remittance time. And by then, it's already spent. What I personally do is move every HST dollar I collect into a separate Wealthsimple account. No monthly fees, free unlimited transactions including Interact, e-transfer, and CRA payments, and it earns up to 2.25% returns while it sits and waiting for remittance. That account is basically a firewall between you and a cash flow problem at remittance time. Affiliate link in the description below. I only recommend it because it is what actually I used for the past 8 years. Note that I may receive a small commission from Wealthsimple, and you will receive a $25 bonus if you're using my link in the description below. Alright, let us do this live on CRA website. I will put a direct link in the description so you can follow along. Step 1. Go to canada.ca and search for GST and HST for businesses. Step 2. Click Open or Manage an account, then select Register. Step 3. The business registration online portal opens. Enter your SIN, your last name, date of birth, and postal code to verify your identity. And Step 4. Confirm whether you have an existing business number and select your business type. Most freelancer and self-employed folks will choose sole proprietorship. Step 5. Select GST/HST as your program account type. Step 6. Enter your business activities and estimated annual taxable sales. Step 7. Choose your effective date. You can backdate this up to 30 days. If you crossed $30,000 recently, use that date. Step 8. Select your reporting period. Annual is the most common starting point for new registrant. Step 9. Set your fiscal year end. Most small businesses use December 31. Step 10. Enter your business address, email, preferred language, and account name. Step 11. Review the confirmation screen and click Submit. Save or print that confirmation page. CRA does not mail it automatically. Step 12. Register for CRA My Business account using your new business number. A security code arrived by mail within about 10 days to finalize your access. 3 things change immediately once that registration is done. First, every invoice you send now must include HST. You are legally and required to collect it. Second, at remittance time, annually, quarterly, or monthly, depending on your sales volume, you send CRA the difference between what you collected and what you can claim back in the ITCs. If you're interested in how to calculate and how to file HST, you can click on this video. Third, now you have a legitimate business number on your invoices. That alone signals professionalism to clients. A simple way to think about it: CRA has essentially deputized you as temporary tax collector. You collect on their behalf, keep track of it, and hand it over on schedule. The upside is you get to subtract your ITCs first. A few things to keep in mind before you go registered. On your effective date, if you crossed $30,000 recently, you may already owe HST on past invoices from that date forward. The 30 days backdate option helps, but it does not recover everything retroactively. On reporting period, annual filing is standard when you start, but if your sales grow significantly, CRA may require you to file quarterly or even monthly. Check it each year as your business grows. And on provincial rate, HST varies by province. Ontario is 13% and Alberta has no provincial component, so it's just GST at 5%. Make sure you know the rate applies to your clients, especially if you work across provinces. And if your situation involves mixed income types, employees, cross-provincial sales, definitely confirm the details with CRA or with a CPA. Rules may vary, and this video is general starting point, not a substitute for professional advice. Here's the short version of everything we've covered. You must register for HST once you cross $30,000 in taxable sales in any 12 months window. Waiting past that point can cost you money you never even collected. Registering early gets you ITC tax credit on your business expenses. The registration itself takes about 30 minutes. And the smartest thing you can do on the same day is to separate that account to park that HST so it never gets accidentally spent. CRA My Business Account link is in the description below. You can collect HST starting today. If you found this video is useful, please like and subscribe. New videos every week on building your business finances the right way in Canada. I will see you in the next video. Bye.